I read many recipes for chicken salad that suggest using a store-bought rotisserie chicken to add to the salad. However, chicken is not only easy to prepare in a steam or convection oven, the results are far superior in terms of flavor and texture. There are several ways to cook chicken pieces for a salad. They can be roasted in convection or in the combination of convection and steam, or the chicken can be steamed. I always prefer to use bone-in chicken pieces for roasting or steaming because the meat is much juicier and I can use the bones to make stock. My preferred option is to steam the bone-in chicken because not only does it yield wonderful flavorful chicken, but I can also capture a cup or two of stock from the cooking. So, one less step. Because the salad has a slightly spicy peanut soy dressing, I'm adding some ginger, scallions and cilantro to the pan to steam the chicken. These aromatics will not only add flavor to the chicken, but also flavor the stock, which I will save to use for soup or to add to cooking. While the chicken is steaming, I will combine the salad ingredients and make the dressing. The cabbage in the salad is best when it's cut or shredded into thin strips, but you can cut out that step and use packaged coleslaw mix if you prefer. I use Sai-Fun bean thread noodles for my salad and add in some shredded carrots, chopped scallions, and chopped fresh cilantro leaves. And I do make my own dressing. If you were using a bottled dressing, you might find that a little easier. There are some very good spicy peanut dressings available at the grocery store. Steamed chicken can be used in salads or sandwiches or added to vegetable grain bowls or pizza, and the stock can be stored in a small container and frozen and added to your cooking as needed. This is a terrific, easy way to get a lot of value from a simple steamed meal. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.